Hi, I'm Ella Mills, the founder of Deliciously Ella, and I am so excited to be partnering with Mindful Chef to create 4 delicious, healthy plant-based recipes that you can cook at home. These recipes are all inspired by the most popular recipes on our wellness app, Feel Better. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of the recipes, our creamy dal with roasted squash and green beans. So first off, you're going to peel and dice your squash into about 2 centimeter chunks, discarding the seeds. Then toss those cut bits of squash with your spice mix and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and tender. While that's cooking, just finely dice the onion, finely grate the garlic and ginger, and finely chop the coriander and half the lime. Add the onion, ginger, half of the garlic and half the coriander to a saucepan and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. You're then going to stir in the remaining part of the spice mix, add the lentils, coconut milk and about 350 ml of water and simmer that all together for about 20 minutes until the lentils are really nice and soft. Okay, so while your dal is cooking, just trim the green beans and boil them for 2 to 3 minutes, drain, and then toss them with the remaining garlic and a bit of olive oil. The garlic will just cook in the heat of the beans. Finally, you're going to toast the almonds in a frying pan 2 to 3 minutes or so until golden brown. Then once the squash is nicely cooked, add it to the lentils with the yogurt, mix it all up for 2 minutes or so, squeeze in the juice from half a lime and garnish with the flaked almonds, chili and the remaining coriander. And I have to say this recipe is fab for feeding the family as it's done in just 30 minutes and it is packed with goodness. It's definitely popular with my kids.